Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through setting up a development environment for smart contracts. The two things that we need are Rust and SpaceCraft Meta or standalone tool. We're going to manage Rust versions through Rustup, which is the recommended way to do it. And then using Cargo, we're going to install SpaceCraft Meta. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Let's open our terminal. And let's try to install Rustup first. All this information can be found on our docs at the section installing Rust and SpaceCraft Meta. We're going to proceed with the standard installation. As you can see, it's already installing a few very important elements like Cargo, Clippy, Rust docs, standard Rust library, and Rust C. Okay, so Rust is installed now. We should restart our current shell in order to see the changes. Okay, let's try that. Let's check the version. Okay, cool. So now we have Rustup installed, which also sets up our active Rust C version to Rust C 1.84. We can do Rustup show to see our Rust versions. Cool, that's nice. That means we should also have a Cargo. Okay, that's perfect. So now, building on MultiversX, we need to use Rust stable. So we can do that by forcing Rustup to put the stable toolchain as default. And we're also going to need to add a wasm32 unknown target. Yeah. To unknown. Okay. Perfect. So now we already have Cargo because of Rustup. We have Rust. We also have Rustup. And we can switch between versions really quickly. Now the last step that we need to do is actually install MultiversX SpaceCraft Meta. Only these two steps are basically three, actually, including the target add. These three steps are vital. After that, you can also try to install other dependencies through SpaceCraft Meta install all. That's gonna make your development a bit easier, and it's gonna give you a lot of other tools, for example reports and stuff like that, and WASM optimizations for builds. But these are not vital, so you can pretty much develop without them. Okay, let's try and see if we have a cool. That's great. We have the latest SpaceCraft Meta version. So now let's try to build a contract. We already have a contract right here. Perfect. Now that we have the contract, let's open a new shell and let's try to do a Cargo check on it. See if there are any Rust related issues. Right. Let's see if there are any issues regarding the way we wrote code. So we can try to run it with tests as well, so it checks everywhere. Cool. Now let's try to do a build with SpaceCraft Meta all build command. Okay, that's great. So our build was successful. Our build files were regenerated, and yeah, basically that's how we know that the setup is done.